Morning YouTube. This is Hho natin ito on my first video. 9 months ago I came across a video in YouTube. It's a gas for free system, and from there on I started my research and came up with this design. So my setup is a dry cell. It's a 3x4 plate design, and as you can see, it's very compact and fits on front of the grill, very space grill, in front of my 2005 Toyota Camry. Now this design has 2 positive and 2 negative with 4 neutrals on each cell, so approximately it draws about 2 volts per cell. So as the research sa other YouTube Hho enthusiasts, that 2 volt plate gap configuration is a good system. Now as you can see, this is the negative terminal, okay, and the positive is inside. It's just mounted using these plastic straps, so I can easily take it out if I want to clean it. See, as you can see, this is installed in front of my vehicle, and I'm in Dubai, so you would expect there will be lots of dust in this unit when this goes on the road. Okay, so this here, up here, is my hydrolyzer unit. Okay, it's a gas for free design, but this was intended to be for a wet cell. I did not choose that design of a wet cell because it generates too much heat. It's a parallel design actually. So what I did here, I just used this design because it's good, it's rigid, and it's very compact. Because as you can see, this design, there is the hydrolyzer on this part, and on this part is the bubbler. Okay, this is where the hydrogen comes out, the HHO comes out, a one-way check bulb. I put a one-way check bulb because when the unit is turned off, there's a vacuum that sucks a little bit of water from this bubbler. Okay, so this check bulb prevents that water from going back this part of the hydrolyzer. Now on the middle, this is a relief valve in case of a flashback in the engine, which rarely happens actually. In my 3 years of driving this vehicle, I have not experienced a single flashback. Okay, so this is a relief valve in case there is a flashback in the bubbler. The flame will go out in this hole here, in these holes. Okay, this hole is where your flame will come out. Okay, this is my line going into the engine. As you can see, I don't have any flashback arrestor. For me, flashback arrestor is not necessary because it completely affects the output of your unit. So there's again another check bulb here that goes here into this. I don't know what you call this unit actually. So this is connected before my throttle body. There's my throttle body. Okay, as many of you have suggested that this is a good place to install or inject your HHO. Now the electrical connection, I'm using a 30 amp relay. Okay, there is it. So the purpose of this relay is so that I can put a small wire, enter a small wire into the firewall of my vehicle. As you can see, you need heavy gauge wires to install to power your unit, so that it will be able to handle the heat or the current going into the unit. Okay, so let's crank this engine up and see how this unit performs. Let's see the production. Also inside my engine, inside my vehicle, there is a safety switch. Okay, this switch, even when the engine is turned on, as long as this switch is switched off, see, I'm turning my engine on. Okay, the unit itself will not work because of this. Sorry about that. Okay, so this unit will still be off unless I switch this on. Okay, so this is an extra feature which I've added so that I can turn the unit on and off whenever I want to. It's not like when the engine is on, the unit is always turned on. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you is the production. So let's switch this on. Let's go back inside the engine compartment. It's quite hot here outside. It's around 37 degrees here in Dubai. Okay, so now you'll see the production. See there, this unit draws about 10 to 12 amps maximum, and there's the production. Okay, so there is, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, there is one going on the hydrolyzer, the hydrogen that's coming from the dry cell, and then out of this fitting going into the bubbler. Okay, into the bubbler, out on this line going into the engine. Okay, now see the production. This is how it is producing. This is my baby. Look at that baby. See? So I have not posted video on how I constructed this cell, but basically I know you guys who are doing your HHO project will basically know how to construct a cell like this. This is your basic dry cell. Now to those who want to do their own HHO project for the first time, it's very necessary that all of you should sorry about that, some guys outside. I have to do this inside my vehicle. Now as you can see, it's very important that you guys who are doing your HHO project for the first time to exercise due care and safety. I cannot emphasize enough that I've done my research before installing my actual unit for 9 months. What I did is I did lots of testing on safety because I'm putting it inside my vehicle. My family will be here, so I have to exercise all the necessary safety. So you guys, you have to be safe and enjoy on your HHO project. This is HHO natin ito, and God bless all of you.